Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 weather ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Friday morning, waking up to some wet weather across the area. The good news is this is not going to be an all-day rain. In fact, we're going to be back to sunshine as we head through the late morning and early afternoon. But at least for the next couple of hours, still a few lingering rain showers, especially in areas to the south and east of Grand Rapids. Moderate to heavy rain where we're seeing the yellows on the radar from Kalamazoo to just northwest of downtown Battle Creek in Calhoun County, up toward Lansing, over toward Jackson, Ann Arbor, Three Rivers, and points off to the south. So once again, we are still looking at wet pavement for that morning commute. Checking out a couple of live views for you. Downtown Holland, again, the pavement is wet. This is the case in downtown Grand Rapids as well, US 131 and the Ford Freeway interchange. Temperatures are holding steady this morning in the low to mid 40s, upper 40s to near 50 degrees right along the lakeshore. And we will be tracking temperatures back in the mid 50s this afternoon. So very windy. That's going to make it feel a little cooler than the air temps will indicate. But overall, at least with some sunshine across the area, not a bad way to round out the week. As you can see, a wintry mix still on tap for late Saturday. And then lake effect snow showers are on the horizon for Sunday and Monday with the coldest air that we have seen so far this season moving in. So far this month, we've seen most days aside from the very first day of the month with temperatures above average, back into the mid 50s for highs again today, so a little bit above average. We haven't seen a whole lot of rain so far this month. We've had 2 days out of the first 6 with measurable precipitation, and today will likely be the wettest day we've had so far this month. Another shot at a few showers late tonight into early tomorrow, and then that wintry mix arriving later Saturday night into Sunday, making the changeover to plain old snow showers for late Sunday and Monday. Here is a look at the satellite radar composite. Again, the heaviest of the rain shifting over toward the thumb area, down toward central Indiana, and continuing to push off to the east. We do have some holes in the clouds already starting to develop out over the western part of Lake Michigan, and those bigger holes in the clouds will continue to come together as we head through the late morning and afternoon hours. Winds will be on the increase, sustained at about 15 to 25 miles per hour, and we'll see some gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour as we head through the late morning and afternoon. And as a result, a gale warning is posted today on the open waters of Lake Michigan. Tonight into early tomorrow, a few isolated sprinkles, very light rain showers, then we'll dry things out at least to start Saturday. It'll be later in the day Saturday when we will finally see that next round of precipitation coming in. And you notice how quickly that does make the transition over into a wintry mixture of precip in southwestern Wisconsin and western sections of Illinois. And that is that wintry weather that is moving in our direction. So scattered showers, especially this morning. We will see just a chance of a wintry mix developing later tomorrow night into early Sunday. Could see a few sprinkles or very light showers early tomorrow morning. Then the rest of that 7-day forecast will show generally dry conditions for much of next week. Chance of a few isolated rain or snow showers mixed together early in the day on Tuesday. Back to more sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures will be a little cooler than average all of next week, but the 8 to 14-day outlook takes us into that third week of November with temperatures back above to maybe even much above average. So unseasonably warm weather likely to return.